Are you a Web3 developer, an enterprise, or a blockchain architect? If so, then you must already be witnessing a surge of rollups to build your own custom Layer 2 or Layer 3 chain. ZKStack is one of the leading rollup SDKs to enable your custom rollup or Validium. zkStack is the entry point for enterprises, Web2 platforms, institutions, and native Web3 startups into the Web3 ecosystem. The level of customizability and modularity opens the door to innovations that were previously inconceivable. zkSync Hyperchains offer high throughput, modular framework, control of gas fee, enhanced privacy, seamless access to users, and liquidity. But launching your own custom Hyperchain is a Herculean task, as it involves understanding the configurations, setting up an enterprise-grade node infrastructure, bringing third-party integrations like interoperability, oracles, data availability, data indexing, etc., and ongoing 24/7 monitoring and technical support. Are you looking for an easy, efficient, and trusted way instead? Zeeve, the leading rollup-as-a-service platform, brings a no-code platform to build, integrate, and launch your Hyperchains. Zeeve RaaS has also launched a one-click zkSync Hyperchain DevNet that allows you to build, test, and deploy custom-fitted Layer 2 or Layer 3 Hyperchains. You will have the flexibility to experiment with multiple Hyperchain configurations until you get the best fit for your use case. No need for in-depth knowledge of zkStack, configurations related to gas fee or tokenomics, deploying and managing nodes, maintaining infrastructure, or bringing the integrations to enhance your rollup chain. You will get everything with Zeeve's Hyperchain DevNet, Configurations Wizard, Block Explorer, Faucet, Native Bridge, Data Indexing, Monitoring Dashboard, and list of available third-party integrations. Let's take a look at the key offerings of one-click zkSync Hyperchain DevNet. One-click deployment of L2 or L3 Hyperchain fitted to your needs. Absolutely free access for a duration of 15 days. Wizard-based configuration dashboard with default values added for easy configuration. Flexibility to try different configurations with instant deployment and redeployment of DevNets. Plug-and-play white-labeled Block Explorer, scalable nodes, bridges, wallets, data indexers, and more. Real-time monitoring dashboard to closely monitor your Hyperchains, and many more. Here is a brief walkthrough of how you can deploy your Hyperchains with zkSync Hyperchain Sandbox. Step 1. Log in to Zeeve. Step 2. Navigate to zkSync Hyperchain, located at the side panel. Step 3. Click Deploy DevNet to proceed. A dashboard with a 3-step configuration will now appear. First, there are general configurations, like a relevant name for your Hyperchain, chain ID, and workspace. Next is RPC configurations, which is a high-level RPC node name and public endpoint, enabling authentication method, API key or basic, your preferred JSON-RPC API method. As the final step, choose a region for your infrastructure from the drop-down menu. Click Next and deploy your Hyperchain. That's it! A full-service ZKStack Hyperchain is now deployed. Wasn't that easy and quick? Once the network is synced, you can monitor the status of nodes, cloud details, and other performance-centered analytics within the same setup. Want to try our one-click zkStack Hyperchain Sandbox? Don't wait! Sign up for a 15-day free trial today. No credit card details are required. Visit www.zeeve.io or contact us at success@zeeve.io for more information.